Welcome to Stats 226, Chapter 1. What is statistics? As we've defined here, it's the art of science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data so that it's in a format that's useful for us in the business world. We're going to talk about two types of statistics, two branches of statistics. We're going to talk about descriptive statistics. That focuses directly on summarizing and presenting the data. And we're also going to talk about statistical inference. That's where we're taking a sample from a larger population to determine what the data in the larger population is all about. This slide really gives us a good interpretation of that. This is going to give us a small sample taken from a large population. We're going to make sure that this sample is large enough to represent the total population, or with some level of confidence that it does represent the total population. We talked about probability earlier in the week. That's where we're taking descriptive statistics, applying a theory to it, a probability theory. What are the chances? And moving it over into inferential statistics based on our definitions we just talked about. We're going to talk about qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data. Names or labels used to identify an attribute, may be numeric or may be non-numeric. Quantitative represents measurements or counts, always numeric. We're going to talk about levels of measurement. Nominal. Nominal means it's a means of identification. Can be numeric, can be non-numeric. Example would be gender male, 1, female 2, social security number, zip code, ordinal, military rank, standing. We're going to talk about interval, shoe sizes, Fahrenheit temperatures, Celsius temperatures, ratios we're going to talk about. Data all have properties of the interval data, and ratio of two values is meaningful. Must have a 0 point. How far is it from the middle? What's the height? What's the weight? A final comment from Chapter 1. Statistics has the power to turn raw data into information. The lifeblood of today's modern America, business in modern America. Statistical thinking will one day be as necessary for efficient citizenship as the ability to read and write. Think about that. How many times during the course of the day do you use statistical data? Or do you think in statistical terms? You may not call it that, but that's what it is. Statistical information.